Hey guys, make sure to subscribe.
It's been about 2 months since I last posted on YouTube, and I wish I could tell you there was some big dramatic reason why I disappeared, but honestly, there wasn't. I think I just reached a point where I needed to just stop for a little while. So, for a long time, I've been doing so many things, working, creating, showing up for people, trying different projects, and somewhere in the middle of that, I started to wonder, what do I actually love doing? Not what I'm supposed to be doing, not what everyone expects me to do, not what looks good on social media, but what do I enjoy? And I realized that I've been trying to find myself again. So even with YouTube, something that I genuinely used to enjoy started feeling like something I had to do. So I stopped. And these past couple of months, I've just been living. I've been thinking, trying different things, spending time with people I love, working on me. And I still don't have all the answers, but one thing for sure, I kept missing YouTube, and I kept missing capturing the moments, and I just want to start again with no pressure to be perfect, no pressure to have the perfect niche, no pressure to have my life all together, just to be me and just to do what I love. So yeah, I'm back. Good morning, guys. So I'm up. Sister is still sleeping and she read me, so I go make coffee. I'm gonna have my balcony.
She behave like a snoop shabba.
No, talk to them. Let's not talk about that. Some coffee. Yeah, so let's go. Hey guys, so I've just finished drinking my coffee. Yeah, just don't drink the coffee, and right now I'm just chilling outside. So yeah, my eye literally is still red. I feel it last night. I don't know what keeps irritating my eye, but I have eye drops. So I dropped some in the last night. It doesn't feel as gravelly, but me know so the minute me touch the sun today, it's I could get gravelly. So I don't know. But me feel like I go bed and just get ready for the day. Pick out what I wear and all these things. Well, the clothes I'm wearing now is already picked out. I need to know which bags cute me up on. But yeah. Hey guys, so it is like later on in the evening. Guys, I've been so MIA. Honestly, I don't know. I've been just trying to enjoy because we are on a family trip, a family vacation trip. And I'm just trying to enjoy it. So I haven't been vlogging, but we just got back from the beach. Let me show you guys. So just got back from the beach. We want to do early beach tomorrow morning, so we will be back tomorrow morning. So when I get out tomorrow, then I will probably vlog for you guys then. Okay, but right now we are going to the pool because pool closes at 7, so we're gonna enjoy a little bit of the pool. It's now 6:20 something, and Shanik is going into the pool. So the sun is rising, 6:20 something, so we're gonna head into the pool right now. I think my need to put on my case. Give me a sec. Alright, so we are going in. Sister Rita, she taking her little time going down into the toilet. Go down. Ooh, it's warm. It's so warm. I like it. Let them turn up the heat, man. I'm feeling it. It's actually warm, guys. It's warm. Hi, Mom. Hi. Hey, guys. Hey. What's up? Anyways, this is what I want to do. Ooh. Girl, you blocking my view. Just kidding.
It's the last day in Canada.
My dear. Well, I'm to my friend. You go, girl. You go, mama. But come in, I'll try something. We're done for the day. We're heading back to the room. Yeah. Go, mommy, go. Smells clean. Ooh, looks clean. Ooh, it's clean. Oh dear. Alright guys, we're back in the room. I need to go and bathe. Alright guys, so this is the end of the family vacay vlog. We did go to Bahia. I did not start the vlog like I should have, but I just wanted to tell you guys we went to Bahia Principe. It's all, what do you call it, all the adults part. But you guys will see the tour in the next vlog, so stay tuned for that.
Seen another day, seen another breath, and I